Hey guys, I'm in Interlaken today with the beautiful Jungfrau and I am going to go paragliding. So let's go right away in paragliding. I'm going to be paragliding with Paragliding Interlaken. It's, I think, the easiest when you are in Interlaken and in the region. You're going to be picked up in the center and you're going to land here. So let's get into it. So this is the sort of main park of Interlaken, and you can see I'm not the only one doing this today because it's so beautiful. And I'm going to be using Paragliding Interlaken, and we're going to ride for 15 to 20 minutes, I think, and see the beautiful Lake Thun and Brienz. Let's get started. And if you want your trip to be really memorable, you can get some photo and video service, which will make it last forever. And I think my ride is here to get to Berg, from where we will jump.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be. But they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn. But they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you.
So we arrived. It was a 20-minute ride, kind of. It was very nice drivers and gliders with us. And now we are going to get ready after some safety instructions to fly. And look at this view. So this is Rob Hour. The best one was a beautiful Geneva colors, Aubonne colors paragliding. And look at this beautiful view on the Jungfrau. We have the Lake Thun here, and I'm going to show you how I look like for now. So here I am. It seems pretty easy, I think, thanks to Rob here, and I'm ready to fly. So here you go. These are beautiful gliders. Alright, so we are around Berg. Took 20 minutes to go up, and it's going to take 15 to 20 minutes to go down. We'll see. So these are all from Paragliding Interlaken. Very organized, actually, super well and very friendly. So I definitely recommend if you want to go paragliding, or they have actually other services. They have skydiving and some cool things with the water. Then have a look at their website, Paragliding Interlaken. From above Interlaken and having the best views possible, I think. I can see the Thunersee, Brienz Lake, and in front of me the Jungfrau. Oh, look at this.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. Yeah. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. To the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Have a set.
So just landed in front of the Victoria Jungfrau in Interlaken. Amazing, really, experience. I still have some goosebumps. We did a few twist and shouts, twist and twirls around. Very easy to land. The guy was super professional. I had just to stand up and walk, and that was it. So I really recommend you guys to try this. If you are in Interlaken, this is super easy. They pick you up here, you get back here. So just an amazing experience, especially with that weather and this beautiful scenery. We went close to the Hardekulm, we went above the Thunersee, and we had a beautiful view on the Jungfrau. Loved it. So Interlaken, if you are in Interlaken, the paragliding Interlaken was really great. They were super fun, super nice, made a great experience just outside of the flight, and especially of course the flight. I'm going to show you the landing. So it was really easy. Woo! There you go, beautiful. So that was as easy as it looks. Just stood up and I could land. So I'm alive and very happy, and we had such a great experience. Thank you very much.
Thank you too for trusting.
And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Hey guys, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
If you want to see more videos like this, please make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you soon.